Maxim 40. A design without strength executed is fraud and deception. An application of strength without a design is ignorance and lunacy. Discernment is necessary, arrangement and intellect, then a realm. For realm and wealth, with an ignorant man, are weapons against himself. And you see these people that figured out all these ways to take advantage. You know, tricks, mental tricks to spur at people, other tricks to, oh, and they're surrounded by weapons. So people know, oh, wait a second. Okay, if I figure out which room but people are in, here's all the big old weapons, and I can, I saw online this guy all his weapons on his thing on his wall and stuff, and it's like, yeah, I hate to break it to you, but people actually are more likely to rob you because of what they see there, especially if they watch your habits.